This used to be an old weapons factory making bombs for the dam busters. But if all goes to plan, it'll soon be transformed from Britain's industrial past into its future. The site of a vast new battery factory for Tata, the Indian owner of Jaguar Land Rover.
It's good news that it looks like a deal has been done with Jaguar Land Rover to have battery manufacturing in the UK. The UK exports lots of cars into the European Union. We're only going to be allowed to continue to do that at the current price if all the bits come from either Europe or the UK. And batteries in an electric vehicle are the biggest, most important part, and so we want to make them here at home in the UK.
JLR is one of Britain's biggest car makers and a big employer. But if you're going to make electric cars, you need batteries. And up until now, JLR had left everyone guessing about where its factory would be, with speculation over a site in Spain as well as Somerset. For JLR's suppliers, like this precision parts manufacturer in the Midlands, decisions like this are crucial, and not just for the car company itself.
Approximately 11% of all business R&D is from the automotive sector. There's over 2,500 supply chain companies, 800,000 people employed in the automotive sector. It's important for UK PLC. I think we need to think of at least 2 or 3 gigafactories in the UK.
But Britain is coming from a near standing start. Right now it produces less than 2 gigawatt hours of batteries, all from Nissan's Sunderland site, far below most European countries and a long way behind America or, that bar on the left-hand side, China. This news comes as a massive relief for the government, the Prime Minister and the Treasury, but there will be questions. For instance, how much precisely is it costing to persuade Tata to choose the UK? I'm hearing around £500 million. Will that money be available to other motor manufacturers? Where is it actually going to come from? And then on top of that, will Tata be using Chinese technology in its factories? And what does the government think about that? But with the rest of the world racing to build these battery production lines, and the UK far behind in the race, and with thousands of jobs on the line, such questions are taking a back seat. And with the government desperate for good news, expect to hear a lot more about the little cells which will power the energy transition. Ed Conway, Sky News.